Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted gaps between words in Word document. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Just click Ctrl H. We get this window. Just add two space in find one. Replace with one space. Good. You can just replace all. You see, we made 47 replacement. Good. Now it appears better. We repeat the process until we get nothing replacement. This time, again, two space. Replace with one space. Replace all. This time, 23 replacements. Okay. Again, repeat the process. Two space. Replace with one space. Replace all. All done. We made 11 replacement. Okay. Just make sure you start from the beginning. One space, two space. Replace with one space. Replace all. One replace is made. This time, one space, two space with one space. Replace all. Again, one replacement. Okay, one, two with one replacement. Let's see where it located. Find here. You see here we have a lot of replacement. Replace all. Okay, let us do it. Now it's perfect. That's all. Have a nice day.